We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2017 Indian Vintage. Beautiful bike. Previous owner took very good care of it. Has the passenger seat and backrest both studded to match the rider's seat. Huge saddlebags with the fringe. Passenger floorboards. All of the chrome is still perfect. Nice big beautiful intake. Cool Indian emblem on the cover. And even the gas tank has some cool decals on it. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check her out.